What if I told you that your body has a built-in trash disposal system that only turns on when you stop eating? That's right. Back in 2016, a Japanese biologist named Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for proving that our cells literally eat themselves to stay healthy. He called this process autophagy, from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagein, meaning to eat. Now, don't worry, it's not nearly as scary as it sounds. In fact, it might just be the secret to anti-aging and disease prevention. So, exactly how does this work? Ohsumi identified specific genes that act as signals, telling the body to create a special kind of trash bag called an autophagosome. This small pouch travels through the cell, identifying and collecting waste like damaged proteins and old parts. It then hauls this trash over to the cell's recycling center, called the lysosome. It is here where it's all broken down and converted into building blocks, namely amino acids, fatty acids, and sugars. These materials are then released back into the cell, where they are either used to build healthy parts or converted into cellular energy, to keep the body functioning during periods of stress or starvation. But here's the catch. This amazing process is most active when you are not eating. When you fast, your insulin levels drop significantly. This sends a sort of low fuel alarm to your cells. But instead of just shutting down, they get resourceful. Your cells look around and think, hey, let's burn all this old damaged junk for fuel instead. It is the ultimate biological recycling program, allowing your body to recycle, renew, and repair itself from the inside. Here is the big question. For how long should one fast? While individual factors like metabolism, age, and activity level vary, initial metabolic shifts begin around 12 to 16 hours of fasting as glycogen stores deplete. Significant activation typically ramps up between 24 and 48 hours, a period often considered the sweet spot where the body transitions into deep cellular cleaning and protein recycling. Peak autophagy is best between 36 and 72 hours for maximum cellular repair. However, experts emphasize that fasts exceeding 24 hours should be performed with caution to avoid risks like electrolyte imbalances or nutrient deficiencies. Now, you might be wondering why this is such a big deal and why it won a Nobel Prize. The answer is simple. Without autophagy, we get sick. Research shows that boosting this natural process can help our bodies fight major illnesses like Parkinson's disease, type 2 diabetes, and some forms of cancer. It is the body's way of keeping itself young and healthy. So, the next time you decide to try intermittent fasting, remember, you are giving your body a chance to take out the trash. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe.